Hello, everyone. What's up? So, my main objective here is to talk about doing science with microbit, but in the fun way. Doing science is fun, but how can we achieve that in the fun way with kids? I hope to lead you to this conversation in just 5 minutes. Okay, so my name is Thiago, as Thiago Kawasa from Brazil. We have a lot of Thiagos here. He is the smart one. I'm just the beautiful one, I guess. So okay, I don't have a presentation. I want you to see my screen, and I want you to think about this project and think in ways to do this in your school with your students. Okay, so let's do it. Let me try to let me see if you are seeing my screen. Can you see my microbit and the make code here?
Looks great.
Okay. So what we have here, we have just the microbit and the servo motor here. And I want to hack the Dino Game from Google Chrome. That's a way to engage students, okay? That's a way to, a nice way to do science. Engage your students, give them a objective, but a good objective, something to think about it, and then you can lead them to the process, through the process. The process will be analyze data, think about it, write data, uh, make thoughts about it, and then test, put it to the test, okay? Can you see this in your classroom? Can you think about another project that we can make a contest like hack the Dino Game? What's the purpose of that? No purpose, just to prove ourselves and to test, analyze data, and why not have fun? Play. Yes? Okay, so I'm filming my screen again. And for the first part, I want to analyze data. That will be the most fun part of it because it's a simple code. It's just a plot bar graph. You can reach that block in the LED part, plot bar graph of light level. So I'm using the light level sensor in the microbit. It is stick to my screen with tape, and I hope to analyze the data. I put here up to 255, and let me write it to the microbit. I want to pair the device, connect. Oh, he just don't want to pair the device, but okay. Let me do in the old-fashioned way. Okay, here we have. No problem. Okay, so that's it. So let me show you how to analyze data and test it with your students. If it is not pairing the device, so I cannot actually see the code. Let me try to change the USB port here. Maybe that is the problem. Okay, now it is paired. So you have here show console device, show console from the device, and that is the main tool to analyze data with the microbit. This part here is the most science thing, I guess, in the microbit. So we can really analyze. And in the other tab here, I will play the game. You see, I'm very bad of in this game. That's why I made this code. Actually, it is a code from Luis Furtado, a colleague from Brazil. And as you can see, is collecting some data, but it is oscillating. You see, it's not precise, but it's something. In this part, I will ask my students what this data represents. You see here when a tree comes in the screen, what this oscillation thing represents. So that's that's a thing that I recommend you to do with your students. Ask much more than show them the answers. Ask, and a lot of asks. So each kid, each student will come up with an idea. With maybe they will come up with a solution that you don't think about it. So that's the analyze part, and it's something that I would like to say that is the low floor. So we didn't really hack the game here, but it's something that we are starting, right? So that's the will be, I guess, the first class of the hacking Dino game. So as you can see here, we have some down peaks representing the trees. Okay, we can do a simple code. We can, of course, download the data and analyze the data on Microsoft Excel, but we don't have much time. So let's do the first method to program the microbit to hack the game, and I will call this method the conditional method, because it's very simple. If light level is below a certain point, then write the servo to some degrees. It is the degree that I tested here, and it will reach the spacebar key. And else, if the light level is below some point, do the servo to the other way. Don't forget to make pauses so the servo can have time to really operate. This is some code that you can use. You can make your students play with. You have already did the analyze part. Now it's the fun part. Now it's the play part. And it will not work as you can see, but it is fun. So let me plug the servo here. Don't forget to use an external source of energy for your servo. Okay. And let me do it to the microbit. As you can see, it's already trying to jump, but it's not the right moment to do so. So I can ask my students, okay, you can change the values here. You analyze data, but you can also try new data here. But it is not the best way to program it. So let me put the motor here. Let me show you now the high ceiling part. The high ceiling part will be no data analyze, sorry. The array method, and that part is my I guess it's my uh, my personal choice because it's something that I like to do. It's to program, and let me show you on JavaScript because it's easier to see it. Okay. So here you have a nice way to do your code. You can print the screen, and if you like this code, you can reach me. I will be glad to show it to you and explain a little with a little more time. So here we're doing a peak detection, a low peak detection actually. So we have index, we have an array of data, we have analyze, we have conditionals as well, but this way the code will be just fine. Let's try it and see if I'm not wrong. I just put it on the microbit and I hope it will works. So what this code does, it analyzes if we have I am using my finger here, but as you can see, when a tree comes, some tree comes, the motor will activate and the Dino will jump. So that's a fun way, I guess. All things involving microbits is fun to me. Programming is fun to me, but all things that we do with energy and a purpose, analyzing data and giving students the right energy will be fun. That's something I would like you to test. And if you have some doubt or if you wanna reach me, I will be glad to help you. That's it.